Welcome back. As a proud Indian, first of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. I would like to introduce a new playlist titled Python Beginner Boost. So, for the next 30 days, I will be uploading 30 videos related to Python, and this playlist is specially designed for someone who wanted to start learning Python from scratch. So, in this playlist, I will cover Python from beginning to the point from where you can learn Python by yourself by following the content from internet. I have included some quizzes along with some projects, and I will also share some quizzes on my Twitter handle as well as LinkedIn. Now I would like to emphasize on one point, which is if you are learning something, then please share your learning on public, so that if a recruiter is looking for a role which matches you, then they will be able to find you and will offer you a job. So that's the one point which I want to emphasize on, and I will be starting scheduling the videos from today onwards. So let's start learning Python from today at 1:45 p.m. onwards. Thank you very much.